Hello, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be another Zodiac inspired video. And I know I didn't do a video last Friday because I was out of town. I was a little busy, so I couldn't do it. Sorry about that. And today's video is going to be about Scorpios, and Scorpios are the most mystical, mysterious kind of zodiac sign. So before starting with this video, let's see the image that we have to work with. This is the image, and as you can see in this image, we have a lot of purples, maroons. Like mostly we have a lot of maroon because as we know they are a mysterious sign. And a maroon is also a mysterious color, kind of a dominatrix color. And as you can see, I did this makeup look inspired from this image, and if you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. And if you want me to recreate something, please let me know in the comments down below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And let's get on with this video. Let's go. I'm using this spray as my primer, and after doing that I'm going to fill in my brows. I'm just filling them in, not overdoing it, with an ashy brown shadow. Then I'm going to do my eye base. I'm using this concealer so my brow is all cleaned up and I have a base to work on with my eyeshadows. Then I'm taking this maroon lipstick and I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow for this look. So I'm going to apply it all over the lid area of my eyes. And then I'm going to smudge it with a clean brush. Then I'm going to take this mustard shade as a transition and I'm going to smudge the maroon so it doesn't look very unfinished and harsh. After that, I'm taking this similar colored pink shadow and I'm going to set my lipstick so it doesn't have creases in it. And taking a lighter shade, I'm going to mix the maroon and mustard colored shadow together. Then taking a black eyeshadow, I'm going to define the outer V of my eyeshadow. And then I'm going to clean up my face, all the fallout, and do my foundation. I'm going to blend out my foundation even on my neck. Do not forget your neck. After that, I'm going to highlight my face using a concealer. I'm using Miss Claire concealer. You can use whatever you like. And taking a brush, I'm going to stipple everything out so that my foundation and concealer look blended. After that, I'm taking a brown lipstick and I'm going to contour my face with it. So I'm going to apply it to the jawline, cheekbones, forehead, as well as on my nose, and I'm taking a brush to blend that out as well. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to take a compact and set everything at its place. Then taking a bronzer, I'm going to bronze up my face so it doesn't look very like whitewashed. And I'm using this pink and peach color to bring the color back into my skin, and I'm using this blush over my cheeks and even on my chin and nose a little bit. Then taking the same maroon lipstick, I'm going to apply it on the lower lash line, smudging it out with the pink eyeshadow, and taking the mustard color to blend everything together. After that, I'm taking this rose gold color on the inner corners of my eyes to pop them. And I'm going to apply a little bit of kajal on my lower lash line and finish the eye look with a mascara. After that, I'm taking this maroon lipstick and I'm going to apply it on my lips. Last but not the least, I'm going to do this highlighter, which is a pink highlighter, and I will list everything in the description box, every product that I use. If you want to know what I'm using, just check out my description box down below. And then I'm going to finish it off with this setting spray. Voila! And that was it, guys. That was how I created this makeup look. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what do you think about this look. And if you have something for me to recreate, let me know in the comments down below. And next up, we will have Sagittarius, which is me. I am a Sagittarius. And if you want to see how I create that look, which I am totally super duper excited about, please keep on watching these videos. Check out my channel. If you like any videos, comment down below there. Also, let me know what you think about the videos, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if I haven't told you already, and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.